And finally, we're going to use the Connect Into button to automatically connect my air terminals. Now you can see why I put these in. And from my 3D view, you can see why they need to be right over the top. Because as I select an air terminal, the Connect Into button pops up. And I go Connect Into, and then I pick which pipe I want to connect it, and it goes straight up. Now, it would have problems if this end was open. It would try to go into that open end. So be sure to cap your ends. But then you can do that for each one. And you can also see, since these trunks and branches are all above the ceiling, you can see that this is going to be what's called a duct penetration through the roof. And you have a detail that you can make for that. But it's a very simple one. If it goes straight down, it's pretty simple. So I'll just do that to each one. You do have to do it one by one. And there we go. Now I've got my supply system, and I've added my air handlers to my branches, which are added to the trunk, which are connected to the air handler. Now remember, we have not put in the return air. We are not doing that in this project. In a real project, of course, it would be done. It would be needed. Absolutely. But we're going to leave that alone for now. You would probably have a return line here, here, and here to give you a nice even return with some sort of a return duct either above or below, or even routed way over to here come in. But we are not going to worry about sizing those or doing those. It's a little bit different. And if you do go to work for a place that does that, they'll teach you about it. So there we go. That is our last part of activity 1. Use the Connect Into button on Revit to attach your air terminal to the trunk lines via the branch lines.